driving to the southeast of the Netherlands to visit a nursery that has an amazing collection of hellebores. Once a year, Bastijn Nursery holds a special weekend to celebrate the beauty of hellebores, and it is this weekend that they have the largest collection of hellebore varieties for sale. As I absolutely adore hellebores, I couldn't resist paying them a visit. The old greenhouse looks absolutely amazing, and I truly feel like a kid in a sweet shop. Hellebores orientalis is one of the earliest flowering perennials. It blooms in February or March, and it is seen as a true harbinger of spring. It is a lovely sunny winter morning, and the nursery is packed with gorgeous flowering hellebores. I will show you around, and I will do my best to add the names of the hellebores for you. Orientalis historically have had nodding flowers that face the ground to protect them from the rain. Hybridizing between Orientalis and several other species and subspecies have improved the color range of the flowers, but also made the flowers face more upwards. Hellebores are perennials, mainly native to woodland edges, so they enjoy dappled shade, although some will also grow in sun and others in deeper shade. Hellebores are hardy to USDA zones 3 to 9. They range from basic species to more hybridized varieties, with gorgeous rich colors and some with double flowers. They prefer full or partial shade and grow best in well-drained soil. Hellebore root crowns are susceptible to rot, so don't plant them too deep. Keep the soil moist, but avoid wet conditions to prevent them from rotting. This is a hybrid called Glenda's Gloss. I love the natural green color with a splash of pink around the edges. It has these single open flowers that are perfect for bees. Absolutely stunning. This is a hybrid named Anna's Red, another single open flower that the bees adore. If you prefer more vibrant colors, this is the one for you. This is an Orientalis variety named Scarlet Magnifica, and as the name suggests, it comes in a magnificent scarlet color. One of my favorite Orientalis varieties that I grow myself as well is this one, Cinderella, a double white flower with pink spots. Absolutely stunning. Another beautiful hellebore with double flowers, purple-pink pompon. It almost looked like veins running through the petals. This variety clearly shows that hellebores are part of the buttercup family. I absolutely adore this natural looking flower with its pale yellow color, so this one goes home with me. I love the huge purple-pink spots at the center of this flower. It is so wonderful to see that there are so many hellebore fanatics looking for their special new plant to add to their garden. As this nursery is located near the German and Belgian border, they have a very multilingual variety of customers. Let's have a look in the little greenhouse. On the counter there's a display of all the different flower varieties that I absolutely love. It looks so pretty. The greenhouse is packed with beautiful plants, and it's such a joy to be surrounded by these gorgeous flowers. I like this large white flower with tiny pink spots at the center. It is an Orientalis variety named Spotted Beauty. I love that the flowers aren't looking downwards, so that you can clearly see their beauty. Hellebores orientalis eva is a double pickety variety. meaning that it has a darker color around the edges of the petals. I absolutely adore this spotted beauty, so this one goes home with me too. Another variety that I truly adore is this one named Larissa. It has these beautiful natural looking small double flowers that come in soft pink tones, and it has some tiny dark pink spots in the center. This one comes home with me too, and I already know the perfect spot for it. I've selected some stunning plants that I will put in my car first, so that I have my hands free to show you the rest of the nursery. Let's have a look at some more hellebores. This is a hybrid named Charmer, a nice open single flower in a softer tone than Anna's Red. I also like this one called Penny's Pink, in a more dark pink. As you can see, the bees absolutely adore the flowers of Anna's Red. Boston Nursery has a passion for Mediterranean plants, especially lavender, and they grow all their plants organically. The nursery is located on the hillside at the edge of the central plateau of the south of Limburg, what makes their soil perfect for growing these free-draining loving plants. In the borders of the nursery you can see a wide variety of hellebores growing in natural conditions. It clearly shows that they love these woodland conditions, and if I had a larger garden, it would definitely be something that I would like to create myself. It is truly inspiring. Generally, hellebore is pest and disease resistant, but susceptible to aphid attacks and diseases transmitted by these pests. Especially the orientalis variety might suffer from fungal diseases like leaf spot, downy mildew and black death. I absolutely adore this double yellow variety named Xanthia. And I will definitely check if they have this one for sale as well. And if they do, bring one home with me. It has been such an amazing morning. I hope you enjoyed this tour around the nursery. Next week I will show you the hellebores that I bought in my garden. Thank you ever so much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. In winter, when I'm feeling a little bit depressed about a grey wet winter, I like to frequently check my hellebore plants. When I finally see their early blooms peeking through, I know that spring and warmer weather will soon arrive, and my spirits are lifted.